Valentine's Day 2026 is just around the corner. To help you lock in profits during this peak sourcing window, Doba has selected 8 high-converting winners based on the latest social media trends. All items are currently stocked in our US-based warehouses, ensuring fast and reliable fulfillment. Our first viral winner is the AR-15 Whiskey Decanter Set, featuring a rifle-shaped bottle and 2 matching bullet-style glasses. It showcases premium craftsmanship. This set has become a sensation in the Gifts for Him category on social media primarily due to its bold, hardcore design. What's even better for sellers is the reinforced packaging. Moving on to our second sourcing suggestion, the 5-inch acrylic digital photo frame. This is a highly representative emotional gift with a sleek, all-in-one design that supports 15-second HD video loops via touchscreen. On social platforms, products like this, which turn static photos into dynamic memories, have immense premium potential. For retailers, this is not only a high-profit dark horse, but also a powerful tool for lowering customer acquisition costs. The third item we recommend is the high-margin 4-piece women's perfume set. It includes 4 unique fragrances inspired by travel moods, all in a beautiful gift box. Social media data shows that profit margins for this set can reach as high as 54%. Our fourth potential winner for the men's market is this unique eau de toilette set. Featuring notes of absinthe, lemon, and sage, this fragrance offers clear differentiation from mainstream colognes. This uniqueness allows it to reach profit margins as high as 57% on independent shopping sites. For the fifth section, we've grouped together our high-demand moissanite jewelry collection. This series includes a large carrot necklace, the dynamic bubble bracelet, and wave-shaped studs. All pieces are crafted in S925 sterling silver with high-quality stones. Moissanite consistently sees massive search volume on social media because it offers more brilliance than diamonds at a much more affordable price. Our final recommendation is the Youth Whisper Bone Conduction Sport Headphones. Weighing only 0.88 ounces with an IPX6 waterproof rating, their open-ear design is incredibly popular among fitness enthusiasts and runners on social media. For store owners, these headphones protect hearing and offer a comfortable fit, resulting in a much lower return rate than traditional earbuds, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a high store rating. Lock in your profits and get ahead of the rush. You can now check the product details and sync these winners to your store. We wish you a successful 2026 Valentine's Day season.